Ciao, this is Esther
Alfredo sauce here.
of You, Me, and Sicily, and we are going to take you around the open market in Achi, San Antonio that is held here every single Monday morning.
You know, at an average income of $1,500 a month for a family of four, these markets are vitally important to Sicilian families because everything is a third, 30% of the price of things in normal stores, and they're really, really important.
Not only household items, but also clothes and fruits, vegetables, and all other types of fun stuff. And wait till you see what I got in this shopping spree, made in Italy.
Bravo.
So here starts the fruit and vegetable section. Today we have plenty of potatoes, and look at people lining up to come and shop. I'm going to take you around here. So I think he's got some beans and some nuts as well. All these vegetables, of course, and fruits are local. Bursting with color, right? And it's only here on Monday. Now each town and city also has a market on different days. Right now artichokes are in season, as well as all types of greens. Buongiorno. Ciao, buongiorno.
Oh, ciao, tutto bene?
Tutto bene?
Questo?
Sì, certo. We stop at this place all the time. Got some great products. Carrots and all types of greens. Ciao, buongiorno. The cavolfiore, the purple cauliflower are in season as well as the fennel. Ooh, look at the blood oranges over here. And we still have bacala. Alfred, your favorite.
You know, I'm looking at this stuff. This stuff is from Norway, you know. It's from the cold water. And you've got bacala and you have storkwood. Today they have bacala. What's the difference between the two? One of them has salt on it, like this. This is the bacala. It has the salt on it. You have to soak that for 3 days. And the other one, storkwood, is dry. So you can tell right now, you see the salt. Those are beautiful pieces.
You can make a delicious fish stew with it, right?
Yeah. Look over here, different pieces over here. We eat this in the wintertime. It's great.
I want to take you over here to show you this display of local nuts and beans. Check out the sun-dried tomatoes, cheese, salami, and of course, the local olives.
And I wanted to show you what folks do here every single week, and what a very interesting place it is. So I want to show you some of the stuff that we buy on a very regular basis. And this is one of the places right here that we always bring our friends, this little place that sells clothes. Places where you could buy things to sew with, drapes and stuff like that. Dirt cheap, far cheaper than the mall, that's for sure. And then you have discount beauty aids, okay, kind of like, I don't know what, a dollar store. Same type of thing. And of course, underwear, socks. This is the area that I'm in right now, is kind of like the clothing area. Although walking into it, you can see other stuff. This fella over here is a great guy. We've actually bought quite a bit of stuff from him. This fella here. Besides having nuts and things like that, almonds, pistachios. This cheese right here, Papato Vecchio, is really good. They put that on scacciata. They also have the black olives. My grandmother used to like those. Also have Greek olives, and then you have a mixture. All different types of cheeses here. And of course, all the different types of local cheeses that are great. You know, as we get farther into the market, you begin to see things that I kind of think that they are knockoffs. For example, you can buy a bag over here for like €7 or €8. Who's this? Ciao, Francesco. Come va?
Benissimo. Because this place, the clothes here are great. My favorite place to stop
Esther, una mia cliente.
Yes, it's one of her clients.
Viene qua, compra sempre.
See, when I come here, I always buy.
And why not? All right, so you talk to Francesco. I'm going to be looking around here. Some more bags over here. Look at this, €3.50. That's about $4.50. I just passed the whole stuff of perfumes and stuff. $10, but they're all the brand designer names. So that's not so good. But you really have to pick your choice. But half the fun is going through all the stuff, huh? One of the things you have to remember when you're buying men's clothes, even women's clothes, is everything runs 1 or 2 sizes smaller. If the Italian stuff, like say for example that sweater there. That sweater would be a men's XL in the States. Here it's an XXL. So, what did you buy, Esther? Wow, look at the nice shirt that she bought.
Nice sweater, made in Italy. Francesco gave me a nice.
How much did that cost you? Under $10?
10.
€10, huh?
€10.
Bargain
Brand
City,
new.
huh?
Very happy.
All right.
Here you can find some great household items. Even watches, obviously not real. Some perfume, more jewelry, more watches, row after row after row of stuff for sale. Look at that, even socks and underwear for men. See, people from all over come here on a Monday and do their shopping.
You need a wig? They have them. Hair dryers, €10. I guess you could say this is the electronic department over here. A little bit for everybody. Of course, cosmetics are all over the place for women. You can buy stuff €1, €2, €3. What happens is places go out of business, normally stores. So these guys go and they buy up the whole inventory, and then they unload them at these markets, which, by the way, every town has them. The kids' stuff, you have to be careful. You have to make sure. I was reading about some of the stuff, making sure that it's, not flammable. That's the big thing. But look at the shoes over here. Let's see how much shoes are. It's kind of like the Italian Payless shoes. These are all Chinese imports for sure. Without a doubt. €6. These are very nice. Look at these slippers over here. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. And then you have the, kind of reminds me of the basement at Jordan Marsh or Filene's. You pick through this stuff over here. Coats and stuff. €5, €10. It's the end of the season now, so they got to dump all the winter stuff. But for €10, come on, what are you kidding me? Just save it. With Esther's Hungarian background, she's really a good negotiator, especially when it comes to things like this. All these bolts of material. Honestly, this stuff, there's nothing wrong with it. It's all 100% new. I just passed a store over there up top, a store, a bunch of tables that, this is probably distressed stuff from a store that goes out of business, but guess what? It's all kind of cash. This is all cash. There's no credit cards here. And, 50% savings, minimum 50% savings.
So there you go, the sights and sounds of an open market in a small Sicilian town.
Best part about it, every time we come back, Esther, there's new stuff for sale by different people all year long.
Can't wait to go back and visit my friend Francesco. Okay, if you've enjoyed this episode of You, Me, and Sicily, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Leave us a comment below what you'd like to see and whether you enjoyed this video.
See you online the next time.
www.youmeandsicily.com. Ciao!